Have you ever wondered what the world looks like from a perspective no human can naturally reach? Not from a mountain, not from a plane, but from something small, silent, watching from above. Because one day I launched my drone, and what it saw was something I didn't expect. At first, everything looked normal. Fields, roads, houses, people living their everyday lives. But when I reviewed the footage later, I noticed something strange. From the ground, everything feels random, but from the sky, patterns start to appear. Paths people didn't even realize they were creating. Shapes in the land that don't make sense from below. Movements that tell a story no one notices. It made me think, how much are we missing just because we're too close to the ground? One of the most surprising things my drone captured was how connected everything really is. A narrow trail behind a house. It looked like nothing from eye level, but from above, it connected 3 different communities. Another moment. I flew over farmland. To the farmers, it's just daily work. But from the sky, you could see patterns, like art painted across the earth. Rows perfectly aligned, colors shifting from green to gold. It wasn't just land anymore. It was a living canvas. Then something hit me. My drone wasn't just capturing images. It was revealing stories. A lone fisherman far from shore. A child running through an open field. A road that splits into 2, like a decision waiting to be made. From above, you don't just see places. You see life unfolding. And sometimes, you notice things people wish would stay unseen. Flooded areas forming before anyone notices the danger. Erosion slowly eating away the land. The drone becomes more than a camera. It becomes a witness. But here's where it gets even more interesting. There were moments I couldn't explain what I saw. Strange patterns in empty land. Unusual movements in quiet areas. Things that didn't look important at first, until you watched them again and again. It makes you wonder, how many secrets are hidden in plain sight, waiting for the right perspective to be revealed? Because sometimes, it's not about seeing more, it's about seeing differently. We spend our lives walking the same paths, seeing the same views, believing we understand the world. But one flight, one new angle, can change everything. My drone showed me that the world is bigger, deeper, and more connected than we think. And maybe we don't need to go somewhere new to discover something amazing. Maybe we just need to look at it from a different height. So next time you look at your surroundings, ask yourself, what am I not seeing? Because somewhere above, there's a perspective waiting. And who knows, what your eyes can't see might just change the way you see everything. If you want to know about the most dangerous drone flights I ever attempted, just click the next video.